everybody, welcome back to a global dosage of food. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but on an Instagram poll you guys said you wanted to see pizza, so I'm gonna give it to you. Let's get started. Now, it has been a while since I have been to New York. That New York pizza, so we're gonna be doing New York pizza. But I mean, pizza comes in all shapes and sizes. I'm just gonna do it in the quickest, minimalist form ever.
Alright, let's get started. I'll be using pre-made pizza dough from Trader Joe's, pizza sauce, black olives, flour, vegan mozzarella cheese, and bell peppers.
First things first is we have to get all the toppings ready because I think that's what's gonna take the longest. So let's get to chopping. Alright, you already know that I'm gonna be using the pizza maker, right? Like, it's just given. I use it for everything, like omelets, whatever. They need to sponsor me because I make the best foods on here. So just gonna get this ready. Alright, let's be honest, it's not a real vlog if Midnight's not in it, right? Honestly, that was like the fastest pizza I've ever made. It took 10 minutes tops. And that's just like 10 minutes with like it just baking, right? Like, oh god, this looks so good. It smells really good. All right, let's get it. I like my pizzas hot. Usually I'll add like an oil, like a hot and spicy chili oil into it, but I decided to keep it simple, things that you can just do in your basic, like whatever's basic in your household. So yeah, so I'm just gonna add some red chili pepper because I do that on every pizza that I eat. Ha! Oh, so good. Fuck. This is really good. That's freaking amazing. That was fast. That was easy. But was it like New York pizza? I don't know. It's been so long. But also, there's different ways to make pizza, you know? It's whatever you make, and if you make it yourself, it's just gonna taste that much more amazing because it was made with love, and that's all you can really ask for, something made with love. So I challenge you to make your own pizza, and when you do,
take a photo of your pizza, post it on your story, and be sure to tag me so that I can repost it. Oh, and remember to list out your toppings.
I'm gonna go finish the rest of this pizza before... Oh, I also almost forgot. I want to know, like, with what recipe you want to see next. I try to do recipes that I've already had as I've traveled and replicate them. So, I mean, I'm not traveling much these days, so just put it in the comments. All right, bye guys.